So guys, let's take a look at GBP JPY. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. So first we can see that I know this price actually look choppy. I'm going to reset it, right? So you'll be able to understand. At first, GBP JPY came to this same level, we had a rejection, and also at this level we had a rejection. Also note that there's a rejection at this level on a 4-hour time frame, which is more visible. To be able to predict this price for the next day, right? First, let's take a look at this JPY index on this 4-hour time frame. We can see that on this 4-hour time frame, price is literally ranging within this level. Once the price comes to the resistance level, we tend to have a drop to the support level, right? Once there's a movement to the resistance, then a drop will be made to the support, and again, then a movement to the resistance, and then a drop to the support. Same thing with this movement. This can be considered as a kind of like a false breakout. If you want to see it that way, no problem. So this price has actually literally dropped, and now movement was made to the resistance. So we can see that this price is now dropping to the extent that we are now at this 10-period simple moving average, which meaning we are about to break it. So we'll be expecting more drop on this JPY index. Thereby, JPY should be coming to this our support level. So if this JPY will eventually continue to drop, then any other pairs we will be trading to JPY will surely and must give us a bullish move. So one of the reasons why I am speculating a bullish move on GBP USD. Now down to the 4-hour time frame. So I will see this GBP JPY. Sorry, I'll see this is GBP JPY meant to say. So this I will see this like an impulse move. Then I will consider this to be a correction. So in the long run, I will be expecting more movement upward that will actually take out this high. So that is what I am watching out for in the long run. Probably by next week, you should be able to take it out. So GBP JPY, more uptrend movies to come. So for the next day, right, let's try and go bullish. And at least we should grab about 50 to 70 pips or higher than that. But I think we should not be greedy. We should kind of grab about 50 to 70 pips, right, for the next day, which is for the 9th of January. So that is what I'll be watching out for. You can see that this price has break our 10-period simple moving average. By the way, I have also created a Patreon channel. In that channel, what I tend to do is put high probability trade that I think or I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So that is what I tend to put. So if in case you're interested with just 20 USD in a month, right, per month, you're definitely going to get access to some of the content that I'll be putting to my Patreon subscribers. So far this week, right, I've put out about 4 trade, right? And 3 of those trades that I've put out has actually gotten to our targets, which I'll create a playlist and put some of the trade we took for the week. So I'm going to put some of the trade we took for this week, right? So you can go ahead and watch if you want. So one of those trades is Euro AUD. We actually got to our target. Same thing with AUD card and now natural gas. So those are the 3 trades that's gotten to our targets. The other one that we're looking at is WTI, which is actually still moving, but we've not actually gotten to where we are. So I'm still on the trade, by the way. So I will be putting more updates on trade we should be expecting. So if in case you are interested, you can actually check the channel, the comments section below. I'll be putting a link to my channel